Hello, welcome to this instructional video for instructors on using a Learning Analytics Moodle block to monitor students' outcome-based learning progress. There is a new block in the course Moodle for you to check students' outcome-based learning progress from time to time. It is a simple, easy, and convenient tool to use. It provides a useful way to see an overview of student progress, especially in large-sized courses like Common Core courses. You are among the first at HKU to use this kind of tool. In fact, it is a pioneer in the world for monitoring outcome-based learning progress. So, let's explore more about this tool. On the course Moodle, you, as the instructor, should be able to see a block named Learning Analysis at the top right corner. First, to add a course learning outcome, please click Add Modify Expected Learning Outcome. You come to this page, and then you can simply click Edit Name to add an expected learning outcome, and then a box will pop up where you can input a course learning outcome, and then please click OK. The next step is to map the course Moodle components with the learning outcomes. Choose the course component from the drop-down menu here, and then choose which learning outcome this component is to be mapped with. Finally, click Add. After the mapping, you can actually assign a weight of each mapped component to that corresponding learning outcome. To do so, click Edit Weight of the mapped component. In the pop-up box, input your desired percentage, and then click OK. Please remember that the total of percentages for all components in one outcome must add up to 100. If you don't assign specific weighting to course components, the system will automatically average out the weighting of components for an outcome. And you can always delete the mapping of a certain component with an outcome by clicking Remove. After the mapping, the tool will calculate student progresses. This would take a little while. We therefore suggest instructors to go back and check the progress in a couple of hours. Now let's start looking at students' outcome-based learning progress. Going back to the top right corner of the course component page, click View Overall Report to see how students are progressing in each of the learning outcomes. In the overall report, you see the class average progress of each learning outcome as an overview. The colors of the bars indicate different degrees of progression. Green means that students are in a good progress. Yellow means students are in a fair progress. And red means students are in a poor progress. The same color codes apply to all other bar charts you will see in this tool. If you click into one learning outcome, you will get to see student progress in different course components corresponding to that learning outcome. Going further, if you click into a component, you will see the individual progress of each student in that outcome mapped component. Student names here are blocked for confidentiality. If the component is a forum, on the same page, you will see this network graph with different nodes on it. Each node represents one student in the course. You can then scroll on the graph to magnify it. Then, you will clearly see the student name under each node. Again, student name here is blocked for confidentiality. An arrow pointing from one student, like student M, to another student L, means that student M has replied to student L's post. Moreover, the number on the arrow is how many times such an interaction has occurred. The thicker the arrow, the more interactive the two students are on the forum. Student interaction with course Moodle components show their engagement with learning activities over time, which reflects their outcome-based learning progress. Subsequently, this tool helps instructors to obtain an overview of students' outcome-based progress and for the instructors to offer intervention to at-risk students when necessary. Also, this tool helps students to do self-monitoring of outcome-based learning progress. Thanks a lot for your support. If you have any questions, comments, and suggestions on this tool, please do not hesitate to contact Dr. Xiao Hu. We hope you enjoy using this tool. Thank you for watching this video.